What's up, everybody? Forrest here with Earth 2 Mogul. Welcome to another video on Earth 2 tips and how-tos. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all Earth 2 content. If you prefer to read or are looking for more detailed step-by-step instruction, be sure to check out our blog, earth2mogul.com. If you want to engage with us, hit us up on Instagram and Twitter at Earth2Mogul, and we'd love to chat with you all there. On today's video, we'll be discussing how to buy and sell land on Earth 2. Let's get started. All right, guys, today we're going to be going over buying land in Earth 2. A quick disclaimer before we get started. Because this is an investment, make sure you're smart about it. Have a budget set in mind before you go into this thing. But it is good to get invested early on, even at a small amount, because this thing is growing like crazy, and you can still buy in super cheap in a lot of places. All right, so as always, we're starting at the earth2.io homepage. We're going to scroll up, go down to login, sign up, enter our login info. All right, so as you see, once we come into the site, we're already in the Buy Land tab here in one of my favorite cities, Seoul, South Korea. So if we want to purchase one of these tiles, we'll select the tile grid square. Once we've done that, you'll see that we have one of 750 tiles selected. This just means that you can't purchase more than 750 connected tiles as such. So you see the price for these tiles is 71 cents. The price of tiles are determined by how many people have purchased tiles within a given country. To purchase a tile, you'll hit details, and it'll take you down here to a buy now menu. So you'll see you've selected one tile for 72 cents. That's the market value. That's how much you can buy it for. We'll hit buy now, and this will populate your payment menu. So before we go any further, I'll show you guys a little tip to make your payments a lot easier. We'll go back up to the menu at the top, go down to settings. All right, in the settings menu, we'll go down to the add credit and withdraw. As they mentioned right here, it truly is easier to add credit and just make in-game purchases based off of the credit that you add to the game, as opposed to making transactions with your credit card or with your PayPal account every single time you want to make a purchase. So I highly recommend syncing your PayPal account to the website and then purchasing credits to use in the game. So go ahead and add credits. Okay, as you see, now we have 10 in-game credits. So when we go back to buy that land, our tile is still selected. Scroll down, I'll hit the buy now. Now, as I mentioned in previous videos, if you use someone else's referral code, not only does it get you 5% off, but it pays them a little percentage of your purchase. So go ahead and use my boy RA Realty's code here. Apply that. Boom, as you see, we save 4 cents on our purchase. All right. So now you can pay with your account balance. Yes. As you see, we get the notification that the payment's complete, and we now own that tile in South Korea. To verify that you own that tile, go back into your profile, and now you'll see how many properties you own, how many tiles that consists of, your net worth based on the value of those tiles, and then how much your property value has increased. Another way we can buy land is by going up to the marketplace. Okay, so you see on the marketplace, you'll have a really wide range of purchases that you can make in here. Let's go down to something that makes sense here. All right, so you can select to view the property that someone's listed on the marketplace. And as you'll see, it'll prompt you to view, buy, or bid. If you want to view the property, click on that. From here, it'll show you exactly where the tiles are that they're wanting to sell you. Once you purchase a property, it'll populate as green. So because we're looking at it on the marketplace, it's showing us that this is their property. When we go down here, this will look pretty familiar, except now we see we have the option to bid. So if you don't like the buy now price, you can submit a bid. As you can see, if I, maybe didn't want to pay $1 for it, I could try to get them on 50 cents. Place that bid, see if they accept it. All right, so after we submitted our bid, go back here to the marketplace, and It's kind of just a waiting game to see if they're going to accept it or not. If they do decide to accept it, or if they decline it, you'll get a notification here under the little notification bell. They'll let you know. All right, also with bidding, so you can also put in a bid on property that someone else owns but isn't listed in the marketplace. For instance here, if we go somewhere that's likely bought but we want to own, and we want property near it, we can select property that people own. Once we've selected it, you can go down and place a bid. They'll never accept that, but all right, so now we've submitted our bid, which you can see right there. We'll give you that little notification, and then again, if they accept it or if they decline it, that'll populate here in the notification window. All right, we also have the option to just buy a property now. So as you see, I've selected another property space in the marketplace, and instead of bidding, you can go up to the buy now option, pay with account balance, and boom, now they have sold their property to us and we own that. All right, now as you can see here, based on this transaction receipt, we now own that property. And you can verify this again by going back up to your profile. Now you see we own 2 properties consisting of 4 tiles. Our net worth is increased as well as our property value slightly. And here's our portfolio. In the event you decide you want to sell your property, we'll go back up to the menu, go down to profile. Here you can see your portfolio again. Select the property that you'd like to sell, go down to edit, sell. All right, once we've selected that, then we can add a description of our property, annotate how much we'd like to sell it for, hit advertise to sell in the marketplace, and then that'll list your property in the marketplace. Hit save. All right, after you've hit list, make sure you understand their disclaimer and that you are listing your property on the market. So if somebody buys it, then you will no longer own it. So hit accept. All right, and it's as simple as that. Now the property has been listed for sale on the ether of the marketplace. So there you have it. Quick and simple overview of buying and selling land on the Earth2 platform. Be sure to check out our other videos where we go step by step through other Earth2 features, as well as our blog, earth2mogul.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all Earth2 content. If you want to chat, hit us up on Instagram and Twitter at Earth2Mogul, and we'll see you all in the next video.